up, guys? Welcome to the Komar project, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, I'm designing myself a brand new miter station. Well, it's not going to be new, it's going to be old, but it's going to be new to me, so, well, pallet wood old, not like old where I got it from somewhere, so I'm building it out of plywood and pallet wood, and, well, you'll see, so stick around and check it out. 227 inches. That's 19 feet almost, 18.9. Yeah. Okay, let's get to building. 19 feet, holy cow. Wow, I don't even know what to call this thing. Old Riggedy, the pallet masterpiece. Rustic cutter, old busted. Old, I don't even know if I can build this thing. That's what we're gonna call it. No, we're not, no. We'll come up with a good name. Miter station, cut list. Some plans I drew up. Why am I building a 19-foot miter station? I got nothing better to do today, so. It'll be a long build. Oh well. Got the plywood cut, and now we just have to take it up to the table saw and rip it to dimension. Whoa. Why am I sitting on the floor? Huh? Still don't know the name of it. Big Bertha, I was told. Gotta get my mess right. For assembly, what we're gonna do is, I think, we're gonna put this domino to the test. Okay, I think I got a theory. So, cabinets are cool and dandy with dominoes and all that. It looks really cool, but it's a pain in the So I think I'm just gonna glue and screw. Simple, right? Shop cabinet, it ain't gonna go anywhere. The glue's gonna grab it, screws it ain't going anywhere. Glue and screw from now on. Thor got a new doghouse. Hey, Fatso, that ain't your house. It's my cabinet. Just a dabble of glue, a domino. First cabinet! Fireworks. Ah! Ain't even 4th of July yet. It's like you go. That's what I say. That's where it's gonna go. That's where the saw's gonna go. I'm so excited. This is like, I don't know, like having a baby for a woman maybe? Darn close. Yeah. shoe. Ow! A dog toy. Ow! Ah! Here it is. There it is. That's the bass. Big bass. We have a 30-inch cabinet, a 30-inch cabinet, a 36, a 36, and a 28. That's a whole lot of storage space. So exciting. Yeah. Alright, time to start cutting the plywood for the drawers. So I got my cut list here, separated by cuts with a track saw, table saw, and with the miter saw. It's gonna be a lot. Let's make it happen. This is something you don't want to do. You don't want to not put something in between there. Don't ever do that. You know what? I got so much stuff all over the shop. I cannot wait to finish this thing because I'm just tripping over stuff. God. Okay, back to work. Production line. Yeah. Okay. So, just want to vent a little bit. Not vent, but had a really rough day today at work. Well, basically 6 months worth of work I deleted. Yeah, a lot of work needs to be done in order to get back to where I am. So, came home and started working on wood, and to be honest with you, it made me feel better. But yeah, it helps. It helps a lot. The woodworking is just kind of like a meditation for guys. I don't know if you guys experience it or not, but I definitely do. I don't know what it does. There's probably a medical explanation for it, but I sure as hell don't know it. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to say that. Back to work. And these cuts are going to be done on the miter saw that I'm building a miter saw station for. So I can make more of these cuts. Never ending. But I love it. It would have been so much easier if I made all the cabinets the same size. But that would be too easy. Dummy. Wrong ear. Wrong ear. So I got all my pieces cut, and it's time to start assembling all the drawers. We're gonna assemble them using brad nails, glue, and screws just to reinforce it. Super simple, and no fancy joinery needed. Let's do it. Waiting for paint to dry. My first time using one of these. Pretty fancy, I have to say. Mwah. Don't judge me. That's how I vacuum. He did it. Tell the nice people what you did. Did you go? I'm sorry. Okay, he's sorry. He's sorry. That's the ice cream truck. That is so the ice cream truck. I'll be right back. Hey, I got it. Don't make any comments. It looks like a banana, okay? Keep your dirty comments to yourselves. I can hear you. Don't eat banana babies while working with power tools. Something will happen. Oh my God! F***ing dog almost gave me a heart attack. I blame the banana babies. And this, my friends, is the last screw. It's time to install. Problems I have, baby. Level. Never made drawers before or cabinets. Not bad, huh? So there you go, guys. The bottom portion of the miter station is finally complete. You're kind of getting a sneak peek of video number 2, which is going to be this awesome top that I reclaimed from an old workbench and the pallet wood veneer. So make sure you don't miss that. But I still have an issue. Still no name for the miter station. So if you have any suggestions, put those down in the comments. I don't think Old Busted will work. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing along with hitting that bell notification so you don't miss the upcoming videos, which are gonna come out really soon. That way I can put videos out like this in the future. Thank you so much for joining me on my experience. I will see you guys next time.